So I think something needs to happen where you need to have a dream. After the dream, you then have courage. Courage almost gives you the license to be motivated and dare to dream. So dream, courage, then comes motivation. And after you have the motivation, you begin to plan. You can't plan if you don't have a dream. And that courage gives you that license to think, okay, maybe dreaming is okay for me to do, to dream boldly. So again, you dream, you have that vision. Then you have that courage and the motivation. The motivation makes you have a plan. And so, okay, I want to get there, to that place, to that level, to that dream. But that plan has to force you to do two things. Number one, envision, and number two, strategize. I think where many people fail is that they can't strategize properly. They envision it, they see it, they have the dream, they're motivated, the courage, they have the plan, but they don't strategize or envision. And I think you need to be able to envision, see it before it happens, so when it happens, you can say, yep, I dreamt this.